Understanding the phrase, bowling pin, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, bowling pin. Whether you're a fan of the sport, bowling, or just curious about this commonly used English term, this video will clarify what it means and how you can use it. So, let's get rolling. A bowling pin is one of the targets in the game of bowling. It's the object that players aim at with their bowling ball. These pins are tall, narrow, and usually white with red stripes, resembling a somewhat cylindrical shape that tapers towards both ends. They are designed to stand upright on the end of a bowling lane. When a player rolls the bowling ball, their goal is to knock down as many pins as possible. The term, bowling pin, has its origins in the sport of bowling itself, which dates back thousands of years. The modern version of the pin, as we know it today, was standardized for the sport in the early 20th century. This standardization was important for ensuring fair play across bowling alleys. While bowling pin primarily refers to the sport, sometimes this phrase can be used metaphorically. For example, someone might say they felt like a bowling pin after a busy day, implying that challenges kept coming at them just like balls roll towards the pins in a game. To help you understand how to use the term, here's an example sentence. The aim of the game is to knock down all 10 bowling pins with the least number of throws. It's straightforward when related to the sport, but if you're using it metaphorically, you might say, I was standing there like a bowling pin, waiting for the next problem to hit me. And that's a wrap on bowling pin. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a bowling pin is and how the term is used both in and out of the bowling alley. Keep practicing your English, and soon you'll be knocking down language barriers like bowling pins. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.